So this weekend there is a typhoon coming in Nagoya. So I'm going to escape right here, Okinawa, and I did rent a motorcycle. Weather should be good up there. What's interesting in domestic flights, I'm the only non-Asian looking on the terminal. I checked. I wonder if you have ever seen a sign like this on the road. I need to be careful with my bike. I like to go into the small road like this. I have no idea where it goes. And then I stop in pretty places. Sugoi. That looks very nice. So let me introduce you to the motorcycle. It's a red V-Strom, 250cc. I decided to take a small bike because on Google Maps the island looks small, but actually it's not that small when you're on it. That is my type of restaurants when I do motorcycle trips. Oishi desu. Second day, konnichiwa, ohayo gozaimasu. The bike is ready to go. I am ready to go. Let's go! So I'm not sure what this is, but it's probably like some fish raising farm. Looks like my friends are ready to go. And this is probably like tsunami protection stuff. I guess, I'm not sure. But Japanese do know civil engineering pretty well, I can tell. I had felt one earthquake in Nagoya. My furniture went like this. Nothing happened. Kodomo wa tanoshinde. Enough drone playing, photos, let's go and ride. I'm going to go all around the island. So in Japan, you can leave your helmet like this, hundreds of dollar helmet, unattached. I was gone for 45 minutes. I had not a doubt it would be there when I come back. That's Japan. So with the bike, I came through here. You can't do that with like a car. That's good. I like it. So now I'm parked right here. Kind of nice. Let's go and check out the beach. For those who like camping, that is a nice campsite. Wonderful. Can you hear that? That means it's noon. And the music will go on at 5 p.m. I think 5 p.m. 8, noon, 5. I heard for the workers in the field, they don't have a watch, so they know when it's time to take a lunch break. That is the end of the trail, the Japan Trail, 10,000 kilometers between Okinawa to Hokkaido. So this is the last stop for me before I need to ride 2+ hours straight to get to the airport, return the bike. The bike is running great and it's fun to ride. I returned the bike. Everything is good. Check OK. Another successful bike rental in Japan, Okinawa. So you know you're in Japan when at the airport there is an observation deck. Same in Nagoya. See, I'm outside.